Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Literary Approach to English. Today we are going to start our journey. Be vigilant and watchful. Our first concern is defining literature, its connection with life along with its functions. So, coming toward literature, literature is a word that has been originated from Latin word literature. We know that Latin is one of the oldest and was the most established language during Roman Empire. So, this word from Latin language means writing formed from letters. It means certain letters are used to form some written works. We are talking about literature. So, the first author of literature known so far in the world history is Anidwana. She was a high priestess of waste. However, we can have a separate discussion on it. So, coming toward the definition of literature, we can say that writing having excellence of form and expression and expressing ideas of permanent or universal interest. It means that a piece of writing with glandular style and universal expression of thought and ideas. It's the written work of specific culture, subculture, religion, and philosophy. Literature gives aesthetic players and rather than serving utilitarian purpose, and there are different literary genres like poetry, prose, novel, drama, fiction, non-fiction, through which all these expressions are expressed. Next, we are going to talk about literature and its connection with life. Literature and life both have a deep connection towards each other. We can say that they are two sides of one picture, basically same sides, presenting aspects of life in different ways. We can say that literature is a reflection of life. It's a mirror of life, and it was literature that presented life with all its diversity in front of other people. It has described life with different glimpses of human discoveries, his connection with divine, nature, wars, human miseries, his songs of happiness, his religious bondings. All over this description, it was like a tool in the hands of literary people who were enlightening the other sides of human life, serving as the expression of life. We can see that literature was serving as a record of human life. It was a medium of voice for other people in its each era. Every time people were suffering, they were struggling to survive, but were having no one to complain, having no way to settle out these situations. Literature expressed their voices. It became their medium of vocalization. Through words, every aspect of life has been triggered, has been motivated. We can say that literature and life are so much intermingled with each other that life is serving as a raw material of literature, and literature is a form of expression which has always been crucial to human life. So we have discussed literature along with its connection to life. Now we are moving towards the functions of literature. We know that literature is an art which serves for several purposes. The words give pleasure and it entertains their readers. Actually, beyond giving pleasure, it's the elevation of experiences. It tells us about social progress and highlighting the certain aspects of life. It creates social awareness regarding multiple aspects of society and language. It serves as an escape from the grim realities of life. It helps for the personal, cognitive, and psychological development. It reaffirms the cultural values by providing a glimpse of past morals, values, language, and culture. Literature triggers the morals of the readers. It provides guidance to morality. It helps to observe others' life experiences and various variants of moral conflicts. So, morality has always been a theme in literature. It's the medium of promoting art and artistic qualities. So, at last, we can say that literature builds a connection between past and present through its arts and artistic qualities. Uh, that that's all. That's all we have discussed in today's video. Stay tuned for more. Thank